Timothy. Timothy is a 3-month-old pit bull mix. Now, Timothy is a shelter transfer from Texas, and believe it or not, we got a ton of transfers, a ton of puppies that came in from Texas. So if you're looking to add a new family member to your family, you definitely need to consider heading down to the Utah Humane Society. Timothy's there. Timothy has a price of $325, which is super affordable because it comes all together in the package. He's already microchipped, he's neutered, and he already has his vaccination shots. And as you can see, he's absolutely so freaking adorable. So if you're looking again to adopt a puppy, whether it's Timothy or another dog, we have a ton of new puppies that have just been transferred to our shelter here in Salt Lake. So head on down there and check it out.